Hi, friends, and welcome to another story time. Today we have a story about a chicken. Let's find out what happens. Let's get started. Pick, peck, through the top. Push, poke, out I pop. Growing, growing, chick to hen, I cluck triumphant, cluck again. My life as a chicken, as told to Ellen A. Kelly. Pictures by Michael Slack. On my nest I sit spellbound. Underneath me I have found, perfect, smooth, and almost round, my first, my lovely egg. Hard at work I cluck and lay, night and day, no time to play. Laying dozens is my fate, eggs in cartons, eggs in crates. But round my roost I hear suspicious words like chicken pie delicious. Has farmer hatched a crafty plan to throw me in a frying pan? I'll be his special of the day at Cock-a-doodle-doo Cafe. Bark! Spins away. Out the gate I must escape the dinner plate. To the brooding woods I scramble, prickly briared, bristly brambled. I am chased by hungry brutes. I am spooked by swoopy hoots. Creeping through the leafy gloom, a fox appears. I am doomed. I squeeze inside a log to hide. Fox is mad. He's stuck outside. He snarls and snaps. I flinch and flail, then raise my cry, Pauline, prevail! Now a windy whip and twirl sucks us up inside its swirl, then spits us out, fox, log, and me. I tumble to catastrophe, swept away into a river. Churn and turn, I am delivered. To the sea, dunked and washed, almost drowned, soppy sloshed. Then pirates pull me from the foam. Why, oh why, did I leave home? I polish brass and sweep the scupper, but Captain wants me for his supper. The ship's cook reaches for my neck. I flap fast past the quarter deck. By sneaking off this shifty ship, I'll give these scallywags the slip. Hours pass atop the mast. I wait. The sea cats snooze at last. Tiptoe aft, steal a raft, brave the waves, and sail my craft. I face the fearsome typhoon's wail, clucking loud, Pauline, prevail! Taken overboard! I am tossed tail over beak, landing hard a wet hen heap. In something bobbing on the tide, a basket, dry, unoccupied. What now? A pull, a lift, surprising? From the water I am rising, crossing sea, skimming moon, carried by a big balloon. I navigate high altitudes, an aeronaut with fortitude. Above me burns a blaze of stars, below the view blurs fast and far. One hen aloft, so all alone, will I ever find a home? From the corner of my eye, I spy a speck high in the sky. It circles closer, then arrives. A hawk! I duck, claws out, it dives. I hear a hiss, a pop, I'm dropping, plummeting to earth, no stopping. From the basket's rail I bail. Be brave, I cluck, Pauline, prevail! Then coming fast, hard on the right, I see a paper bird, a kite. We meet. I leap and latch on tight. I ride the kite, cling and swing, wilted, wounded, weak of wing. Then fall, crashing hard and steep, deep into chicken sleep. Whispers wake me, gentle, shy, cradled, smoothed, and soothed am I, carried somewhere safe and warm, a soft straw bed near coops of corn. Neighbors with the goats and sheep, piglets, ducklings, chicks who peep. I found a paradise for me, new friends, new nest, new family. My new home is this petting zoo. I think I'll stay. Now, wouldn't you? That wraps up our story adventure for today, kiddos. I hope you enjoyed Pauline, the chicken who had quite the adventure finding herself a happy home. If you liked today's book and would like to see other books, please visit my channel at the Teachers Read Aloud 1280, and please remember to like and subscribe. Until we read again, bye.